What's up, fellow Wolfpack members? Tom Wolf here. That singing is welcome to Tekken 4 for the Tom Wolf playthrough of Tekken 4 without dying. And that's what happens in Tekken 2, where Heihachi throws him in a volcano. And he thinks he's dead right now. And he's probably like trying to dominate the world or some shit. And this is an oatmeal cookie. And it's really good. I always like to show these intros off, so sorry. If it's like really boring. I think they're cool. Especially fives. Oh my god. Fives is awesome. Sometimes I'm in the intro, sometimes I'm not. And she's hot. Don't want a case just for me to say that. I want to eat cookies, Sophie. I miss you. Beep. This part's awesome. So good. This might be my favorite Tekken. It might. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It's either 4 or 5. I might pick 5 for my favorite, but it's so close, 4 or 5. They're both awesome. Crybaby. Tekken 4. They changed a lot from 3, and that is JIN Kazama, and that's who I'm gonna be. Cause she's awesome. I'm basically gonna be JIN Kazama throughout the rest of these Tekken games. And by the way, I am not gonna be playing Tekken Tag Tournament because it's too closely related to 3. And that's why I'm not playing Tekken 6, because it's too closely related to Tekken Tag Tournament 2. I think Tekken 3 is a better game, and I think Tekken Tag Tournament 2 is a better game than Tekken 6, so... I'm sorry I'm a little biased, but yeah, you know, that I am, I'm sorry. But it's basically beating the whole series as a whole. And plus, yeah, no, I just wanted to say that. But if you want me to play Tekken 6 and Tekken Tag Tournament 1, I gladly will, but I don't think anyone's begging for it anytime soon. So, I'm just gonna be playing this, my first attempt. JIN Kazama, he's cheap as hell, but he's awesome. Here's the story.
Brisbane, Australia, a city crowded with buildings, new and old. Nestled amongst the towering buildings was a small dojo. A young man trained there in silence, his face hidden by the hood of his jacket.
That's JIN.
Day after day, JIN trained in the traditional art of karate.
Karate.
Ever since his betrayal by Heihachi, JIN loathed anything related to the Mishimas. His lineage, his fighting style, the devil gene in his blood. Everything.
He hates everything.
Thanks to the dojo master's training, JIN unlearned the Mishima fighting style and mastered the art of traditional karate.
Oh, that's why he doesn't fight like Kazuya anymore. Because he fights totally different.
His desire to destroy the evil Mishima bloodline, his grandfather, Heihachi Mishima, and his father, Kazuya. Upon hearing rumors of the King of Iron Fist Tournament 4, JIN hardened his resolve to enter the tournament.
He basically wants to get rid of his dad, and his dad's dead. Oh yeah. That's basically JIN's story. I can't believe I'm losing. Third attempt. Let's go. Third attempt. I thought I was gonna have more trouble with the first two, not this. Let's go JIN. So notice how different this game looks compared to its predecessors. If I could keep my hood on the whole fight, because they could knock off your hood, then I'm awesome. Oh, it's off. He like totally took it off of his foot right now. Sure. And that's the cheapest move in the game right now, because I'm going to do that a million times. It's this punch and this spin thing. Very cheap. I gotta be cheap in this game, I feel like. Flip me like a pancake. Wow, how the heck did he know like where I was going? What a weirdo. Oh, it is the computer. It reads your every mind. It's an android. Shit! I like the song actually. It's pretty good. Power through, do that. Of course you keep rolling. Wow, how far did you kick me? That was a nice kick. Tripped his little legs. Alright, now we're facing the law. The crazy, karate master.
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah, sorry for not playing Tekken Tag Tournament 1, but I will play the second one. It's just too similar to Tekken 3. I don't want to like go. I don't know. I say like, what's the point? I'll tell you the truth. Nah, it's too similar to Tekken 3, where there's no difference whatsoever. But I will play the second one. Because I want to show out like how the game has progressed throughout the ages, and it's pretty cool. Oh my god. That wasn't fair. I had to sneeze. I hate when I lose once, because then I'm scared I'm gonna lose this one. Then I feel like crap. Yeah, flip like a pancake. Shit. Man, shut up, wall. Stage 3. Yoshimitsu. Or should I say skeleton robot cyborg man?
Round 1.
Probably. I don't know. God. How did he block that grab? Okay. Get down from there. Can I grab you, please? So I hate this computer. You can't like have fun and do something different. You can't do something different. That was sick though. I want to see that first punch really fast. I hope I broke his skull because I can't do anything cool. I do have some highlights already, so I'll show those at least. Yeah, get out of here. I want to do something else besides this and a fall thing. I want to do more than that. I do. Or I'm gonna be bored out of my mind just as much as my YouTubers. That and that. If I do that the whole time, I'm gonna go crazy. See, I gotta do stuff like that. And and that. I'm kidding. That was like the same move. Oh! How'd I miss that? Ooh! Kicked the belly with my steel-toed shoes. See, if I do anything else, that happens to me. Not that move! Oh shit. Christy, you're so hot. How'd I miss? You lose. There we go. Stop rolling. I'm gonna roll in the sand for you. I'm gonna get sandy. Mmm. Nice and toasty. Ow! Ooh, got you twice with the same move. 1, 2. Nina Williams. Like, really? Yeah, really. How do you block all that if you saw that? Like, how? I'm a computer. Well, yeah. It's just like, come on, I want to face someone already in real life. I just want to show off how awesome these games are. Die! I like the music a lot in this game, it's very good. Definitely my favorite soundtrack for the Tekken. Come on. Oh, sheesh. Oh, wow. I'm surprised she blocked that. Okay. Time to be cheap Jin again. I'm kind of proud of that combo I came up with. That's my own combo. Shut up. That's what I gotta do if I'm scared. Just what are you doing? Panda is absolutely useless in this game. As cool as it is to be a bear. Useless. Oh, what are you doing? I love saying that. Go back to the zoo. You're not meant to fight. Like, really scary adult demons. And right now there's a cutscene right here, and I'm not there for some reason, and it explains. The tournament official sent Kazuya a message. The winner rounds him by default is Kazuya Mishima. I wasn't there at the time, and it'll show where I am. Please proceed to the final stage. Through Kazuya Sensei Hahachi's hand, and Jin Kazama's disappearance, a fearless grin crept upon his face as he headed towards the final stage. While on his way to fight Kazuya, Jin was ambushed by the Tekken Force, aka Heihachi's henchmen. Jin brought down scores of them, but then they killed him. But was eventually captured and taken away. Poor Jin. Some like Tails Dell shit. It's like oh, I gotta fix that. The Tails Dell's making those things. Jin hates him. Jin hates his team. So he was tied up by Heihachi the whole time. He was trying to bring both of them to like kill them or something. So basically they just all want to kill each other. So they can be the strongest in the universe and take over. That's how I see it. And I gotta fight my dad, Kazuya. In Tekken Tag Tournament, he was actually gonna kill him, but he decided not to at the end. He almost did though, in a cutscene. Oh god. Get out of here.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh god. Oh, sorry. Why don't I have that move? Because I learned a different fighting style. Okay. The fuck? I'm like trying to grab him, he's like, no. Yeah, get the freak out of here. Kazuya's not that good of a fighter, sadly, but he's really cool as a character. It's funny, Hahachi's the only one that doesn't have like devil blood in him. The Tekken movie is great, I must say. The Tekken movie, as I said from the first game of Tekken 1. This is all on the same day, by the way. Hachi's like a joke now with JIN. Yeah, he's a joke now with JIN, thank god. He was scary in the old ones. Now he's just like any other guy. A victim to my combo. A victim to my combo, as I said. Just like a pushover. Break his spine, you know? Just break his collarbone. Break some whatever bone. You don't have the same fighting style. Your fighting style sucks! What the heck? What was that? Never seen that before. The magic of playthrough, jeez. Ooh! That was a nice finisher, actually. I can replay that a couple times. That's good. That's Kazuya's wife. And he's like, don't kill him. Even though I would. So Jin's like basically half a demon. He's trying to find the answer of how to get rid of the devil within him. It's pretty crazy. And that's the start of Tekken 5's intro. It's really cool. I'll probably just start it out like that next episode. You know what? I will, because it's a cool intro. And plus I forgot. Because I played Tekken 5 before this game, and I forgot to do an intro. So perfect. That's how we're going to start it. And that is Tekken 4, JIN Kazama. As you can tell, he's very cheap. It's probably going to be like that the rest of the remaining other Tekken games if you just have to. I had a cool move here and there though, and it's still pretty hard. You do have to like time it and have enough space and do all that stuff, you still have to time it. It's not as easy as it looks, but I'm a lot more comfortable than the first two Tekkens, which I did surprisingly very good in. But anyways, stay classy, always eat your pizza, and that was Tekken 4. And I hope you have a good day. Take care. That's terrible.